Hi guys, welcome back on Tech Aid. We are providing you practical solutions to your problems, whether it's a simple hack or a step-by-step guide. We have got you covered. In this video, I will gonna show you that how to cancel Spotify premium subscription. First of all, you can open any browser that you use. I can open Google Chrome, so now I can tap on search, and here you can just simply search spotify.com/account. Now after this you can just simply tap on the spotify.com/account, and after a few seconds of loading you can just simply see the option in the account section that is manage your subscription. Tap on it and you can just simply scroll down, and below the free section you can see the subscription. Here you can just simply tap on cancel subscription, and it is a way you can cancel Spotify premium subscription. If you want to keep your online activity private and access to restricted contents like I do, trying using a VPN. It's secure, easy to use, and makes a browsing safer. The link to buy is in the description below. If this tutorial helped, don't forget to like the video and subscribe for more practical solutions. Got questions or need extra help, drop a comment below and we will be happy to assist. See you in the next one. Thanks for watching.